To restore a database in CBAS, first select the Database menu, followed by Close Database to close any database you happen to have open. Next, select the Database menu, followed by Restore Database. CBAS will automatically attempt to select your most recent backup. You can also select Pick to browse a list of recently completed backups and select from those. Once selected, simply click the Restore button and your database will be restored. You can then open this database by selecting Database, Open Database, select the mode that you want to open CBAS in, and then picking the database name.